Okay. We got a gear haul. I did some shopping recently. Everything from screwdrivers to electrician shears to air chucks. We got a bunch of new interesting gear, so let's go over it. Starting with the Klein Tools 11-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. So I picked this up recently at Home Depot. 3-way ratcheting screwdriver, and it is super modular. Like, this thing is incredible how many tools they can actually fit on this thing. They say 11-in-1, so that includes all the standard Phillips slotted. There's a Torx bit, a couple of Robertson bits for us Canadians. I'm sure it's different down in the States, but you never know. 4 different size nut drivers, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 5/8, or 5/16. What was it? I can't remember. I have the packaging here. So yeah, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. These are, I believe, reversible. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Either way, really nice. I've always really loved the Klein Tools screwdrivers. Their 11-in-1s are really nicely built. Again, the ratcheting adds another whole level of ease. And these are fairly inexpensive for what you get. This is basically a toolbox in a single stick here. A couple of bonus items on this that I've noticed as well. I've used these for hex keys as well. This one's like an 8mm and this one's like a 9.5. You can use this as like a 10mm. There's a few furnaces I need to get into. These work great for that. A really nice tool.
Nice.
Solid addition to anyone's work kit. Not the lightest thing in the world, but it's a really substantial tool. The second item I have today, another screwdriver, but this is a precision driver, and this is the Hoto 24-in-1 precision screwdriver. It has 12 double-sided bits, so 24 total, and this covers everything from Phillips to Torx. A really nice kit. Specifically, I wanted this one for working on my knives. Really nice finish, anodized aluminum, swiveling cap on it for that driver. Nice bits. These are magnetically retained in the thing here. And they're even marked, which is another great thing. I hate when drivers don't mark their bits. But really nice precision tool here. And you just gotta make sure you put the markings up, otherwise you can't see what it is. The price on this guy is $21 US, which is about 30 Canadian. A welcomed addition to the kit. The third item I wanted to go over today is the Milwaukee Electrician shears, or scissors. Identical to the other ones that you've probably seen. There's a wire notch here, 2 different wire notches, a bit of a somewhat lazy file on either side here. It is a full serrated blade. These shears are great for anything around the shop, in the garden, anything around the house. They are made out of a nice high quality steel that's, I believe, nickel plated or chrome plated, one of the two. This particular model is the 4822 4048, and they're quite comfortable, really nice and sharp. And these come in at $26 US, which is about 36 Canadian. So not the cheapest things in the world, but for a tool like this, will probably last you a lifetime. Fourth item I have today is the 711L air chuck. So this is a Schroeder valve right angle air chuck. I believe this is an older version. I think they've updated this. It has a nice bleeder valve and a quick release. This is the reason I wanted it. It completely rotates around, but that quick release in and out is so nice. There's nothing worse than trying to fumble with those lockdown lever style valves. Well, this will get some good use. $28 US, which is about 40 Canadian. So it's a little bit on the pricier side, but for that quick connect, I think it's totally worth it. The fifth item I have, this was a 3-pack of the Nite-ize S-Biner clips. These are the slip lock. These are nice. I wanted the bigger one because I carry my keys on my hip through my belt loop, and I want to be able to lock my keys in. So I can put my keys in down here, lock this one. Because I'm always taking my keys on and off, you can actually just remove these little locks. and it's just a little piece of plastic lodges in here. It handles that really quickly, and because it was a 3-pack, why not? These were 14 US, well 20 Canadian. Just a really nice reliable clip. The sixth item I have today was a new pen that I picked up recently, and that was the Kaweco Sport. This is the white version in a medium nib with a green ink. And I like these pens, it's nice and compact, it's got that screw down lid, and I did buy the extra clip. This is definitely more of a premium writing utensil. With that compact size, it carries really well. These pens come in at 28 US dollars, which was 39 Canadian. Clips an extra 8 US dollars or 11 Canadian from the Reed supply shop that I bought them from. A really nice premium feel, and when you actually put it up, it really does fit nice in the hand. And if you have some quality paper, it really does handle that really well. And this hasn't been written with in a while. It does write really well. The last item I have today is the Allet Sport Wallet. This is the nylon version. I did do a review on this. I'll leave the link down below. This is a really nice recycled material ripstop nylon. It has the nice little mini pen as a bonus feature in this one. 2 to 10 cards, I think it was. This is just a super thin, really lightweight wallet. You lose it in your pocket almost, it's that light. I've really enjoyed this wallet, so I wanted to show it again. And like I said, the review is down below. This comes in at 46 US dollars or 66 Canadian. Seems steep, but it is a really nice wallet. Anyways, if you guys like videos like this, you like seeing new gear, please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.